This it's gonna be a bit dark, but this light in front of me just turned on and then it turned off again as I walked past it. Yeah. Another note, as I turn into a big ball of black shadow, I'm going to do an outdoor video at night. One of my favorite haunts. There's still a bit of daylight left, so, won't be too bad. Once I get out into this clearing over here. Something just shit on me. Does that rain? Just got dive bombed by a June bug. Lighting may be slightly better out here, but probably not. This phone really isn't meant for nights outdoors, but well, hey, I have some color now. Kick ass. It's a sky. The sky is gorgeous out here. It's like here in Missouri, we have some beautiful sunsets. See if I can't find a spot to set this sucker at. There we go, that'll do. See my epic hair. Which isn't so epic right now. I need to brush it. I like to come out here and get alone time. And my anxiety attacks have been acting up a lot the past couple of days, so it's nice to be alone and be able to clear my thoughts. One thing I've always loved about nature is you really can't get away from it. And you get to thinking that humans are all powerful and stuff, but really, you get out into nature and up into the trees, and you really, as a human being, you really kind of feel how small you are compared to other things. Which, to me, really isn't intimidating. I mean, nature can be very intimidating, but, there's really nothing to be afraid of. It's the people that make the fear. And, a lot of that fear is probably, you know, more of a fear of the unknown. A lot of people are unfamiliar with nature, and that alone kind of, you know, scares the shit out of them. And you know, there's really nothing wrong with being afraid of anything. You know, I've had times where I've been scared and that sort of thing, but my thing is, you know, why be scared of nature, you know? You can't control it, so there's really no need to worry. Mother Nature will do whatever the, you know, humans can try to stop, you know, nature, you know, build levees and dams and that sort of thing, try to keep the water and all that out, you know. But really, you know, it's more of a human fear of destruction and such. People get so obsessed with, you know, the day-to-day life and work and all that, you know, that they really don't take time to live and, you know, realize how impermanent they are. And to me, nature is a symbol of permanence. It's, you know, they say, you know, people own land, and I don't really agree with that, you know. And this ties back into the fear of nature, you know. When you get into the mindset that you own the land and try to control it, that's very for lack of a better term, that's a bit of a negative mindset, because that does create fear of nature. And you know, learning to live in nature, live with nature, is a lot about realizing that, you know, all this land was here before, you know, all the trees that I'm surrounded by, you know, the creek and the stream and all that, the rivers, you know, all of that, you know, when I get to thinking about all of that, and, you know, really there's no questioning about who owns the land, you know. Nature owns the land. You know, the humans are just part of it. And I think once you realize that you don't own the land, but rather you're a part of it, that kind of takes away from the fear of nature and, you know, the unknowns that come with it. It's my little spiel for the night. And as always, take care and keep your stick on the ice.